I will find a way. Don't think, just do. When one must, one can. I come to win. Whenever you are, we are there. I want to be motivational and inspirational for everybody. My big aim is to more women on bicycles. I am a motivational speaker. No one listen to those who know. The more we do, the more we can do. God always strives together with those who strive. To be wholly devoted to some intellectual exercise is to have succeeded in life. Even if you fall on your face, you are still moving forward. You create your opportunities by asking for them. The weeds keep multiplying in our garden, which is our mind ruled by fear. Drive them out and call them by name. What is called genius is the abundance of life and health.